I am Professor Shikta Singh, helming from the area of economics and finance, but more specifically, I delve into the research arena of behavioral finance. I head the Center for Behavioral and Neuroscience. So this is a very pioneering initiative of School of Management, KIIT University, which was inaugurated by our honorable founder, Dr. Sir. This center provides a very unique opportunity for the students not only to get into the learning which they make usual classroom, but also that intertwine into the realm of true research. This center provides an experimental design in terms of bringing in the various models of behavioral and neurosciences techniques. So we are looking into an observation room as well as an experimental design room. So students get exposed to the real-time data. So students go to the industries, spend 3 months over there, and then they come out with their projects. This is just a step beyond that. They are going back to the industries, getting deeper into their problem, and then coming back to the lab, checking it around, providing a real-time solution, and then again going back to the industries so that they can get real-time, hands-on experience into it.